लोगों को मन में क्या लगता है, ये नींबू मिर्ची लगाएगा तो हम लोग को कुछ हमारा अच्छा चलता है, धंधा पानी हमारे पीछे से हर शनिवार पनौती निकल जाता है।
आपको लगता है सच में जाता है पनौती?
अब मेरे को तो ऐसा हम लोग को वो लोग का पनौती हम लोग लेता है।
पहले कुछ भी चीज़ हम लोग को छूने नहीं देते थे, मतलब हमारी कास्ट बहुत लो होती थी। जो सड़क पे झाड़ू मारती है ना, ऐसा नहीं है कि अभी भी नहीं मारते, अभी भी मारते हैं। वो लोग बिल्कुल ही पढ़े लिखे नहीं होते थे और कुछ चीज़ को छूने नहीं देते थे, स्टडी तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं करने देते थे। मतलब अनछुआ बोलते हैं ना कि तुम लोग कुछ भी मत करो, बहुत ही लो कास्ट के हो, वैसे बोलते थे हम लोग।
I always hated when I was sitting in a car seeing these kids on the street. I've always had a tough time digesting that. And that always bothered me. Even when I was a kid, it bothered me. It bothered me, later. And then after becoming a parent, it bothered me even more. But it was just a horrific thing to feel. But what you're always taught is, look ahead. Look ahead. Don't look at them. Don't look at them. It's like the training that's driven in you since you're a kid. You sit in cars and everybody tells you, don't look at them. It'll just get worse now. Look away. And so you spend an entire life looking away. So that's the kind of mindset you come from. And then when you do enter sort of into something like this, then then you're not looking away anymore. Tiny Miracles, this is a foundation and a social enterprise. Create confident, empowered communities by skill training them and connecting them to caring customers in the West and inspiring others along the way.
We don't see any poverty on our streets. As a foreigner, come here to think, how can you live here without doing anything? And I know I'm very black and white because obviously the more you talk to people, everybody's doing something. Whether it is with the staff at home or sponsoring, everybody is doing something. But why are not many people dedicating their life to solving this problem? That's what I dedicate my life to because I feel it's why I'm here.
And the point of the social enterprise was just to employ the parents of the girls she was sending to school, to give them a job and an income source.
They need to earn enough to pay for this child to go to school instead of me. People just go around probably thinking I'm Mother Teresa 2.0, like this white woman. There she is again. She's a lot of money. You know what I mean? I didn't like that feeling. But then what job are they going to do?
Laureen actually went to Rituals and said, I need a product that can be made by people who can't stitch. Because there's a lot of elderly people in the community and stuff, young mothers, people who can't leave. So I need something that they can make. Ritual starts planning ahead for next year's Christmas Advent calendar. So it's basically, these big boxes you get at Christmas, and then for the last 25 days of Christmas, every day there's a separate gift you open. That's how an Advent calendar works. So they gave us one of the Advent calendar spots. And we were like, let's do a bracelet. So then the bracelet design started. We started co-designing it. Our product designers like Florian started working on it with Rituals.
And they picked the idea of the bracelet. And then we started to develop and source for the thread or the closures or the beads or how the question we asked ourselves was how can we make the bracelet as much handmade as possible And yeah, that's where the journey of the bracelet started actually.
Employ 100 women full time. It's going to take them 13 days to assemble this order, which is 1.3 million. Okay, you can do 1,000 per person if you set it up in like a line. So 100 people have full time work for 13 days to assemble it. If you give them the making of the tassels, it's 6 months of employment for 100 people, of full time employment. So then it suddenly, because as a company, we try and measure our impact in work hours. And suddenly we think, okay, we can't just give out the work hours here. The work hours are why we do this. Otherwise, we're just like Rakhi makers.
मेरे ऊपर थोड़ा बहुत कर्जा है, तो इसकी वजह से मैं रास्ते पे रहता है, इसकी वजह से मैं ऋण नहीं लेता है, इसकी वजह से इधर मेरा बच्चा पढ़ाई के लिए बच्चा पढ़ाई पे रहता है, इसलिए इधर रहता है जया दीदी के पास। लड़की हॉस्टल में, लड़की का उधर पढ़ाई करता है, इसकी वजह से मैं अकेले, हस्बैंड का हार्ट का प्रॉब्लम है, इसकी वजह से उसका तकलीफ के लिए मेरे को किधर ना किधर कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ता है। बाथरूम का जाता है, नहाने धोने का जाता है, खाने का जाता है, 2 जन का रहने तो बिल होता है। 100 रुपये बचाने को जाना तो 100 रुपये जाता है चाय पानी के लिए। इसके वजह से हम लोग घर पे रहेगा तो कुछ इतना खर्चा नहीं होएगा, क्यों सब घर में रहता है ना, बाथरूम भी सब घर में रहता है। मेरे को धंधा अच्छा नहीं लगता है, सामान लेने को जाता है तो पुलिस लोग हान मान करके फिर वो सामान लेके जाता है, फिर हम लोग को बिठाता है, उधर से 1200 रुपये लेता है, ये करता है। तो क्या फ़ायदा, किधर जब हमारी कमाई नहीं उतना है तो हमारे पास इतना नहीं बचता है।
See, this is a massive problem in your country, but where do you start? If you want to make a change on a big scale, you need to be able, you either do what I did, and I think I was lucky that it was never the ambition to become so big.
एक ही हफ्ते में चाहिए था, जितना जल्दी नहीं हो पाएगा किसी कीमत पे।
हम लेके आए आपके लिए 1 हफ्ते का काम, ठीक है। हर हफ्ते आपको बॉक्स मिलेगा, बॉक्स में 500 टैसल बनाने का सामान है, सारी सूचनाएं दी हुई है, यहाँ पे मेजरमेंट दिया हुआ है। मैं एक एक करके एक्सप्लेन करूँगा आपको बॉक्स में क्या है और उसको कैसे इस्तेमाल करना है, ठीक है। टैसल काटने के लिए आपको कटर दिया गया है, इसको भी प्लीज़ बच्चों से दूर रखो, शार्प ऑब्जेक्ट है, किसी को लग जाएगा, ठीक है, संभाल के इस्तेमाल कीजिए। ये रेशम है, ये हमने ज़्यादा दिया हुआ है, 500 टैसल का माल है, पर ये 550 टैसल बन जाएंगे इसमें। हर बंडल में 10 बंडल होने चाहिए, एक बंडल जो है 25 स्ट्रिंग्स का है। एक तरफ से पहले खोलना है, दोनों तरफ से नहीं खोलना है। इसको कैसे यूज़ करोगे आप?
We trained 350 people around Bombay. So then it was just looking for communities, who do we skill train? And we wanted to push the work to the neediest communities, because historically, that's what Tiny Miracles has been about. Like Laveen always started working with people who were living on the streets. So when we're doing this whole thing, finally it comes down to, okay, there's skill train, how are we going to give the work, okay? So Manji was like, we put it in a bag and give it. So I was like, okay, and suddenly it just struck me, I was like, wait, what if we just make a nice box for them? What will make it nicer for the person who opens it? Like, okay, now let's put the actual thread length here. This can actually help someone measure it. Let's put a scorecard in here to help people tick. Let's put stickers in it to motivate. Let's put a rejected, old beach bag panel in there so people can spread it around and sit. So it was just really, really nice to think about it through. And I think that's why I like the Tiny Tassel Hassle, because I think more than anything, I think it's an act of love. Frauke, our sustainability head, knew Rainbow Homes, and we met Rainbow Homes, which runs day shelters for street kids. All parents of those street children need work, so that was one community. There's a huge number of people, she said, in Meera Road, Bhayandar, and they're disabled. So some of the women can't walk, and some of them have kids who have Down syndrome and stuff like that. So that's one community. There's 50 people we skill trained over there. Then there's Creative Handicrafts, which is an NGO. And they skill train people from a slum cluster in Andheri East. So there's a lot of women there who need work. So we gave a bunch of work over there. We skill trained them again. We skill trained the women of Ambedkar Nagar. then we skill trained. A friend of mine put us in touch with the Rescue Foundation, and we skill trained women over there. We have greenlit the skill training of the Adivasi community in Alibag. So there are in all I think 7 different communities.
बता दे कि मैं शादी नहीं करूँगी मतलब
करोगी नहीं?
नहीं करूँगी
पूरी जिंदगी?
भैया को पूछ लो मैंने भैया के सामने ही बोला था मम्मी को मैं बोलती रहती हूँ पापा को भी बोलती हूँ मम्मी को भी बोलती हूँ पहले वो लोग बहुत पीछे पड़े थे बहुत ज़्यादा कि मेरे मामा तो को बोल दिया था कि लड़का देखो तो फिर मेरी नानी ने बोला करके उसकी एज क्या है मतलब उसकी कोई एज नहीं उसको पढ़ने दो मुझे ऐसा है ना कि सच में मुझे करियर बनाना है इसलिए मैं ये सब चीज़ पे फोकस नहीं कर रही अगर मैं ये सब चीज़ पे फोकस करूँगी तो मैं करियर पे फोकस नहीं कर पाऊँगी
All these communities are onboarded for the first time, so they are all unorganized. Let's be honest. We need to put systems and processes in place. So the first thing that I did was I've onboarded 5 patwas with me who will regularly do the visits to all the communities wherever and whoever is the community head उसके पास जाके to take a check, a rain check कि कितना बचा है, कितना आया है, क्या हो रहा है and everything comes here at Andheri office. Patwas are basically from UP and there are few settled in Rajasthan as well. Right from मतलब पुश्तों से वो गोंडा बना रहे. We gave a very good correlation that there is twisting involved in the gajra work that they do and there is twisting involved in the tassel they are making. So that's where we build the connection.
अगर इसको पर पीस का रेट नहीं है इसको आपको एक दिन का 600 रुपया मिलेगा ठीक है सुबह 10 से शाम को 6 के बीच में हो जाएगा
There is a huge difference between so there's one person who is on the 5th box and there are around 20 of them who have still not submitted the first box and everybody got the box on the same day. We had pitched it as a full day work for a week but some of them are taking it as something to do in the pastime. So the mindset shift needs to happen so that you know they from the pastime it becomes their main activity and they focus on earning more.
मैं क्या सोच रही हूँ ये काम करेगा मैं थोड़ा देगा भी और भाड़े से रूम भी लेगा ऐसा सोच रही हूँ.
Somebody would say, hey, but it's sold in the store, this vase you're selling for 20 euros, you're only paying them 1 euro. And then somebody puts it in the media, but then they forget the museum store where it's sold gets 12 euros. The tax office gets 4 euro. You know what I mean? Like people think, but if it's sold for 20 euros, why don't you pay them 10 euros? Yeah, you know, it's a lack of information and a lack of experience. You know, if you say somebody at Tiny Miracles earns 400 euros a month, yeah, compared to our standards, it's nothing. You know, but there they used to earn 50 euros a month, so it's a huge change. And I also don't know the end. You know, sometimes you just have to follow your gut feel and do whatever feels right. But yeah, is it all academically thought through? No, we're trying something, right? Yeah, it's very difficult.
सुबह 5 बजे उठते यार रोज फिर उसके बाद में नाश्ता वगैरह बनाना पापा मम्मी दोनों का काम संभाल रही हूँ फिर बाद में थोड़ा मेरा डॉग है थोड़ा उसको वॉक वीक करा घर भी तो ही संभाल रही घर भी पूरा घर में ही संभाल मतलब सबसे बड़ी मैं हूँ ना तो मेरे ऊपर सबसे ज़्यादा जिम्मेदारी है ऐसा फील हो रहा है अभी तो मम्मी भी नहीं है पापा भी नहीं है तो सबका ध्यान रखना उठ के खाना बनाना सुबह शाम को खाना बनाना फिर टेसल्स बनाना मतलब बहुत स्ट्रगल वाली बात है कि टाइम निकाल रही हूँ एक एक चीज़ के लिए तो फिर उसके बाद में 10 बजे काम पर जाती हूँ तेरे साथ में तुझे पता है काम करके डायरेक्ट मैं यहाँ पर आई हूँ मेरा रास्ते में पता है सच में हाथ मेरा पूरा ऐसे काँप रहा था.
ठीक है तुम्हारा सक्सेस का क्या आइडिया है?
जब मैं डिग्री कंप्लीट करूँगी और डिग्री कंप्लीट करने के बाद कुछ बिजनेस स्टार्ट करूँगी तब मुझे ऐसा लगेगा कि नसीब ने मेरा साथ दिया.
We could also just have given it to some guy who always makes tassels, and then Tiny Miracles would just do the, you know, the whatever the knotting, and then you put it in an envelope and you ship it off. That would have also been a way to do it. Then our profits will be tremendous. But now every tassel we paid so much more than if we would have given it to somebody who's already doing that. But we wanted to make the impact, so we should never lose what is the point of what we're doing this is not to have a very profitable company.
वो फ्राइडे सारे नहीं आए
Want to make the other shoes?
but that guy said he would come on Friday also.
You can immediately start with
At least you can keep them going.
Tagging can some.
tagging. You can
The problem is
immediately start.
tagging, the money won't match what they're tagging.
Exactly, that's the
There's nothing will match. We need to set more of a framework for them. And maybe say once a week you join for 1 hour some session that Anna can give about eating healthy, or I'm just saying something.
Now it's just about processing. It become a hard thing if everybody comes and then we have no idea what the numbers are.
exactly. हाँ
वो एक्चुअली खत्म हो गया है, रिक्शा हुआ है 420 425 तक भी आया है।
तो मैम आपने ग्रुप पे डाला क्यों नहीं? हमने ग्रुप इसके लिए बनाया ना ताकि आपका कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो, कुछ खत्म हो गया होगा तो बताने के लिए।
Are we making it? Are we gonna get ready in the next 1 week?
Making of the testers. Yeah, we can.
तेरा अभी स्पीड बढ़ रहा है ना?
अभी स्पीड बढ़ेगा, सीबी अभी भी बढ़ेगा ना अपना। See, that's what I had told when I and Sid were also discussing when I came back with day 1 to 2 I cannot count. 3, 4 will be where people will start getting the hang of understanding what they are doing. So from today onwards they've started increasing and from tomorrow it will be more and
I think 50,000 a week from this week onwards is what I expect at the minimum. But I think it can go up to 70, 75. Especially once we train more people in Alibag. I'm hopeful.
सेट एट टुक का चैलेंज हम लोग करेंगे. इट्स लाइक कौन करेगा यार? ग्रेस ने भी हाथ उठा दिया बिकॉज फॉर अस टू डू वर्क अदर देन मशीन वॉज टू टेक फ्रॉम फाउंडेशन इज वॉट आई हैड अंडरस्टूड फ्रॉम द फॉर्म कि फाउंडेशन से लोग आते हैं और फाउंडेशन से करते हैं. अब ये नहीं पता था फाउंडेशन को छोड़ के और भी लोग हैं जो इतने लोग हैं जिनके साथ हम लोग जुड़ेंगे और यू नो दे विल ऑल स्टार्ट लर्निंग टेसल एंड दे विल मेक बेटर टेसल्स देन व्हाट पटवाज आर मेकिंग.
विपिन अंबाड़ी, संगीता संदीप हिलम बराबर ना, ममता मोरेश्वर वाघमारे.
You show a photo of them sitting on the floor making tassels on LinkedIn. Rituals put that photo on LinkedIn. Somebody first response is, why don't they give them a chair? You know, why are they not sitting on the chair? So I replied, we tried because my initial reaction 8 years ago was, please sit on the chair. We bought chairs, tables, everything. Like after 10 minutes they want to sit on the floor because their back doesn't hurt if they sit on the chair. So they look at us, why don't you sit on the floor? You know, but it's the West thinks, the people think they know better, that because we sit on a chair that's the way the whole world wants to sit on a chair. But they look at us sitting in a chair and their back starts to hurt because they want to sit on the floor.
अच्छा लगा, मतलब जब मैं बना रही थी तो मुझे ये लग रहा था कि मैं लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी हो गई हूँ और जो चीज़ मुझे नहीं सोचनी थी तो वो ऐसा लग रहा था कि अच्छा है कि टाइम ही नहीं मुझे मिल रहा है कि मैं फालतू चीज़ कुछ सोचूं. तो मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा मैं लाइफ में बिजी थी और मैं ये सोच रही थी कि अच्छा है कि पैसे कहाँ ना कहाँ से पैसे आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि मैं मेरे घर पे सच में लड़ाई करती हूँ यार, शादी के लिए भी ना बोलूँ ना तो फिर वो मतलब मैं बोलती हूँ, ना बोलूँ कि मैं बोलती हूँ कि नहीं करनी है, तो ये लगता है कि इफ़ अगर मैं नहीं हुई तो मुझे उस चीज़ का ज़्यादा डर लगता है। तो मैं सच में सक्सेसफुल होना चाहती हूँ, और अगर मैं देखूँ ना खुद को तो अच्छी बात है कि अच्छा ही लगेगा मुझे सोच कर।
And the bracelets are wrapped around a card, and then they're put in a little envelope. So the envelopes are also made, and the stickers. And the sticker glue was not strong enough, so the envelopes popped open. So while we thought it was a sort of side product on the bracelets, it caused kind of stress there.
मॉर्निंग वी ट्राइड दोज ऑप्शंस राइट, नीचे करो ऊपर करो, स्टिल वो स्टिकर निकल ही रहा है, पीसेस ऐसे खुल रहे हैं और ऐसा हम लोग क्लाइंट को भेज नहीं सकते। ये स्टिकर अगर स्टिक नहीं हुआ ठीक से, ये प्रॉब्लम सी स्टिकर इसके मारे के लिए।
Get screwed by stickers, just imagine.
Seriously, and out of the no, I just went there yesterday. मुझे पैकिंग देखना है, तुम लोग क्या करें? Open 2-3 boxes and it's open. I was like shit. मतलब जिस पे मुझे सबसे कम फोकस करना चाहिए था. I have to focus on that thing now. स्टिकर इसके ऊपर सेंटर में डालो और परफेक्ट।
ये नीडल से
सबको ऐसा स्टिक करना पड़ेगा,
प्रेस करके स्टिक करना पड़ेगा,
और जो नहीं हुआ उसको एनवेलप चेंज करने पड़ेंगे।
हम एनवेलप्स और स्टिकर्स भेज के रखेंगे थोड़े बहुत वहाँ पे। और
किती झाले? मोजा आता मोजले किती झाले? 2200 आणि अजून जाते ना। Yesterday was 38. 18 263.
we did 2x or 2.1x. We need to increase speed.
What was the expectation?
40, 50. This turned out to be 37. We didn't even close 40.
First week, yeah, we're talking end of November here. I see 30,000. We discussed on the call 30,000 tassels made. Second week, 40,000. Third week, 80,000. And people keep telling, no, it will be fine. It will be fine. I said, okay, can somebody get me a calculator? Because if we only have until the end of February before the container leaves, we will never make it. It will, you know, you can maximum make maybe 300,000 tassels, but not 2.7 million tassels. It's just like anybody can see that.
इधर बैठ जाओ तो क्या पैर को भी त्रास है। हाँ तुझं नाव काय भाऊ?
प्रज्वल नाव
Even Sadanan Mahathre, numbers that we are seeing every day and what calculation we had done earlier was completely different. We thought एक दिन में 1 लाख pieces पैक हो रहे हैं, जो अभी भी हो नहीं रहे। 700-800 is what we are hitting per person. So it's nowhere close to 1 lakh that we are even closing every day.
We're like desperate to like increase the enthusiasm in every group. So like I've been nagging everybody here now. Everybody makes a video message and sends it on the group just to encourage people. Like, come on, tassel banao, paisa kamao. Like,
Hello everybody. Tassel banao, paisa kamao.
Okay, tassel banao, paisa kamao.
Tassel की डोरी न उम्मीद दी चोरी.
अब लगभग 2 महीने बचे हैं, तो जितना ज्यादा टैसल बनाओगे उतने ज्यादा पैसे कमाओगे. स्पीड बढ़ाओ, प्रैक्टिस करो और ज्यादा से ज्यादा टैसल बनाओ.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
So guys, please ensure that it's all in time. It's super important. Because the thing is that if it's not in time in Holland, they can't distribute it to all those advent calendars. And then there will be an empty drawer, and I don't think we want it.
Yeah, so I think we've got, we'll be as close to perfect as it's possible, I think.
Yeah.
Maybe you can also start making tassels in the office.
Yeah, I think we'll start.
Yeah.
No, but we're really we are really obviously we're really worried. It's because we have tried something different here, so we are extremely worried, and we're keeping a close eye. So yeah, fingers crossed. We'll keep you updated on a weekly basis.
Well, I think you're doing an amazing job. So fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Feeling the pressure that if I am not able to deliver, the entire company can go down with this. So it's that important right now.
This order goes like it's an existential risk for the company. So we have to get it right.
मेरा एक्चुअली 65 खराब है. अब मुझे ट्रस्ट नहीं हो रही बात पे, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत अच्छे से काम किया है.
अच्छा.
मतलब काशी दीदी को भी मैंने बताया पर्सनली जाके, तो काशी दीदी ने बोला, मतलब जो सामने वाले सर थे ना, मोहन भैया ने दूसरे एक सर, तो उनको बोला करके किसी का भी गलत हो जाएगा चलेगा, बट करिश्मा का गलत होगा तो वो मुझे मतलब भरोसा नहीं हो रहा. तो फिर मैंने घर पे जाके थोड़ा ट्राई किया समझने का. तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि फिनिशिंग में मेरी गलती नहीं हुई होगी, बट मेजरमेंट में थोड़ा बहुत तो गलती हुआ होगा.
थैंक यू आप सबको, आप सबने हम लोगों को सपोर्ट किया. अच्छा बोला, बुरा बोला, हंसे खेले, मजाक मस्ती किया. अलीबाग में ये प्रोजेक्ट लेके आना हम दोनों के लिए थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट था, क्योंकि ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ये वो सब किस तरफ लाना, फिर इधर से वापस लेके जाना.
We took 20 days to make 4,16,000 and we took 17 days to make 7,12,000. So that's an achievement, I feel. Lovely memories. I think they'll be friends for life now. I feel.
Yeah. Other than what they earned, they are taking a lot of good memories. They are taking a lot of good cherished moments for life.
Finally come to fruition. अभी जा रहा है सब कुछ. I hope it is well received at Rituals as well. I'm hoping that the second container is done in time and that also reaches on time, and then we are done and dusted for the entire project.
Especially now, this moment. Wait, let me wait for so long, Jesus. So they got the box from Main Freighter yesterday. Artie went there to get it. So I'll show you. I have the box here. Yeah, just one box, people. We can just sink into total depression. Or not. I'm gonna open it. Huh? You ready?
Go ahead.
What if the sticker came off?
I don't know, I might faint here.
Yes.
Finally, thank God.
See more.
This was required.
It's not enough to
Check more.
Got it.
Got it.
It's sticking?
I'm sticking to it tomorrow, so at least with a lot of confidence we can say that we made it.
Screw publicity.
Okay, people, have fun. Bye. See you.
Seriously, yeah?
Everything, you know.
Look, if it's stuck for 2 months, it'll stick for...
6 for 6 months.
It's 6 months. I want
You know how to stick it to the...
I was thinking about that scooty ride that we had at 12 in the night and dogs.
I always put in the tag made with joy in India. We never put made in India. We always say made with joy in India, because I think at least it gives some kind of spark as opposed to made in India.
पैसे का कमाने का लालच बुरा वाला लालच नहीं हो, बट ये हो कि तुमको पैसा कमाना है, तुम्हारे अंदर वो आग और जोश रहनी चाहिए कि तुमको पैसा कमाना है, क्योंकि ये घर में बैठ के कोई रोटी नहीं देने वाला है, कुछ नहीं देने वाला, तो तुमको कमाना चाहिए, तुम्हारे पास पैसे होने चाहिए। और ये भी है कि तुम्हारे पास पैसे होंगे तो सच में तुम्हारी इंसान इज्जत करेगा। तो मम्मी ये देखो मैंने मशीन लाया है अपने पैसे का, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। मतलब ये है कि मैंने कॉलेज भी किया वो टाइम पे, घर का काम भी किया और टेसल्स भी बनाए, तीनों चीज़ मैंने मैनेज की, वो बहुत बड़ी बात है। और फिर उससे जो पैसे मिले उसकी मैंने मशीन खरीदी। अब मैं चाहती हूँ मैं इसका आगे जाके कुछ अच्छे वे में कुछ करूँ, जैसे छोटा मोटा बिजनेस स्टार्ट करूँ अगर चला तो।
It's a way of doing things that I like or I find important, and with my family. It's not a goal in itself, but it's obviously a way to move around and yeah, do the things you like.
There is something, you know, that we are going to miss from tomorrow onwards, that, you know, gaya, अभी कल सुबह उठ के what, like, you know, every day it was like आज कितना करना है, and it's over, like 11 lakhs 28,000 is just finished, like that was the thing.
The next generation is getting ready at their houses with that money. It is helping them, it is helping their families live their lives in a better way, and it is somewhere helping shaping the future of our country or the future generation in some way.
मेरी ख्वाहिश एक है, मैं नहीं पढ़ी तो बच्चे लोग तेरे मेरे पढ़ के मेरे को अच्छा रास्ता दिखाएगा, वो लोग का पैर पे खुद खड़ा होके रहेगा।
Congratulations दीदी।
बधाइयों। बधाइयों। जो हम लोग को बताए काम से आगे बढ़ जाएगा ना, तो कुछ हम लोग बोलेगा हाँ बाबा हम लोग के लिए कोई मिल गया, इसकी वजह से हम लोग थोड़ा सुधर गए, हम लोग इसकी वजह से काम हम लोग के लिए अच्छा है। मनीष भाई के लिए भी ये करेगा हम लोग, मनीष भाई ने वापस काम देने के लिए रिक्वेस्ट किया हमारे के लिए, इसके लिए हम लोग धन्यवाद करेगा मैनेज ने। कल का गुस्सा छोड़ दिया, आज मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा। ये घर मिला मेरे को, टंकी बिठाया, कलर लगाया और ये मेरे के लिए अच्छा बहुत बढ़िया काम हो गया मेरे के लिए आज।
I don't know how many lives we fully and truly impacted. Like we tried, and I think that's the point. The point is to set an example of trying, to make an effort. And it's not perfect, and we don't know when the next project is coming and when we can continue the line of work, so we don't know what the lasting impact is. But it is in the effort that I think that's important about this project. That's even why I actually thought we should document this. Because we made an effort, that I can say for sure. We definitely tried.
Don't ask what the world needs, ask what makes you come alive in the world. Because what the world needs is people who have come alive. If we start a project like this on this scale with so many people, we should actually already sit around the table with rituals saying, hey, this tassel is the magic ingredient in this product. Do we feel that we can, create more products with tassels, because then we can give consistent work. What we did now, we got the order and we thought, hey, this tassel is magic, let's do it. And then we trained all these people and you give them hope, but then the next order doesn't come. So it's better to have longer, have a few years of products with the same skills. And just not have a specific skill for once. For example, the stitching of the bag, we can stitch bags for other brands as well. So you have your capacity filled, so people have consistent income. With the tassel, that was a learning, because you peak with a huge amount of tassels, and then but we learn as we go.
So this is one of the products of our partnership with Tiny Miracles. This is the Advent calendar. We're selling over 1 million of them. And in one of the little houses, there's a beautiful bracelet produced by Tiny Miracles. So maybe not the most expensive bracelet in the world, but for me definitely the most precious bracelet in the world.
Nee, dat moet je ook niet hebben.